Welcome to Seasparkles Corner.
Boop.
And David cut it, and now he's nailing it. I was going to help him. I thought I was going to have to hold it up, but honestly, I couldn't have reached.
Higher compressor.
It's coming. The Archway is coming today. We got a lot done on my home improvements. No, that's not stuck. It's coming. It's still not.
You want to play? I can play.
It's an arch, it's an arch, it's an arch, it's an arch. This is the only time you're going to see the wooden part of the arch because, well, I'm going to be painting that. It's an arch, it's an arch, it's an archway.
Is this long enough? Find out. Yeah. I can play.
I hope you get enough power in that because I was using that yesterday for all day.
Yeah, it's down to 1. I can go swap the battery if I need to.
It's got to stay up there forever. What is wrong?
I keep going in between the boards, I think. Still not getting bite. All right. All right.
Oh, my eyes. Go more towards me. Try that.
Getting bite.
What? I don't understand. Let me go and see in the closet. Oh, it's there.
All right, let's try right here. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, there is wood there for it to bite onto. You gotta put another screw in. Because it's gonna stay up forever.
Just floating too much. I'm going to have to use some screws in here as well. Just float too much.
Yeah, because 10 years from now, we still want it up there. 20 years from now, we still want it up there, you know? Because we're never redoing my bedroom again. This is the only second and last time. I mean,
I kind of expected I was going to have to use some screws on the top one.
the top's just going to be more challenging. It's just...
Well, it's because, unlike the side ones, technically those are just standing up. So technically that's in line with the direction nails are supposed to be holding. This is in line with what screws are meant to be holding.
Yeah.
I mean, technically I could get different nails for the nailer for this. But I got a different tool in mind for when I'm doing sealing work for the air compressor. It's a pneumatic wrench. You want to talk about pounding, that'll give you a pounding. Must hit the vein into the board behind it. Let's try it over here. I mean, technically, I mean, this isn't enough to hold it. Because it's not like you're...
So you put it right there and to the right there. See where the cut ain't straight? So that's why. Well, you got it here. This is this up the side, up there, and down there, and which is the next part of my closet, and then I'm going to be painting primer and painting regular paint. And that's what it is. That's going to be the next phase of this beautiful, gorgeous room we're making. Love you. Oh, and stay tuned for the next part. And this is the end of doing the archway. Love you. Bye. Stay tuned. Dave is good at cupboard.
Yep.
Bye, everybody. See you in the next video.